Hi, folks. Dennis Prussman, United Country Property Solutions. I'm out in Andrew County this morning, and I'm helping out a really good friend of mine. That's Brenda Howard. Brenda has a great land auction on the schedule. She's with our King City office. That's United Country Property Solutions in King City. And I'm just out here previewing the farm, getting some drone video and some good pictures for her to work with advertising. And I just want to share a little bit of information with you about the farm. Location's everything, and this one's really got it. It's just minutes outside of St. Joseph, Missouri. If you take 169 north and you catch D Highway right there at the Avenue City School, this property is literally just 4 to 6 minutes north of the school. Easy to find, so it's got road frontage on three sides, gravel on the north, gravel on the south, and obviously it's got D Highway there on the west side. So offers multiple opportunities. The farm is going to be offered in multiple parcels at public auction. So it's going to be buyer's choice of 20 acres, 40 acres, or the entire 80-acre tract. It does have a three-bedroom home on it with several outbuildings. It's previously been in CRP. It's been used for pasture. It offers row crop opportunity if a buyer wanted to use it for that. It's got good timber on the farm, so it probably has some nice hunting. It's just a great, great farm, but location really is the key here. And if you're looking for a building site, the number one call to our office is for something close to St. Joseph, Missouri. I'm really looking for a place to build. Well, here's your opportunity. So if you have questions about the farm, give Brenda a call or give me a call. Just reach out. I'm going to post all the information on my website at landbydennis.com, and you can check it out there. But when you get a chance, hop in the car. It's going to just take you a few minutes to run up here. Watch for it on the east side of D Highway. Brenda's got signs posted, so really do check it out when you get a chance, because there's not many opportunities like this.